My name is Zhafira. Today I want to tell you about the yourself video. So Helen is sitting in her bedroom. She looks dissatisfied with her bedroom. One of her friends, David, suggests to move the bed under the window. After that, Matt gives a suggestion. Matt suggests is put the high five on the chest of drawer. David tells Helen to put the chair in the corner. Jane's suggestion is painting Helen's room, but unfortunately, Helen can't paint her room. She doesn't really like painting. She is not a practical person. She also has lunch equipment at 1 o'clock. But Jane offers for Helen to paint Helen's room. But there is one problem. Helen doesn't tell her friends what color she wants. When on their way to the iris store, they are misguided. Because of that, David asks about the direction to the pedestrian. The pedestrian shows they must go straight and then turn left and about the iris store on the right next to the supermarket. At the iris store, Matt takes a black color, but for Jane, black color is not suitable with Helen's room. And Jane thinks black color is horrible. And then Jane takes a blue color. But David says blue color is expensive. We don't have much money. When they are looking for a gorgeous color, Jane takes orange color. She says orange color is gorgeous and is not expensive. After arriving at home, they start to painting Helen's room together. After finish, they like the result of their hard work. David says it's interesting. When Matt and David sitting and drinking a cup of coffee, Helen arrives at home. She sees Matt's t-shirt and she says, "Matt, your t-shirt is very horrible." But when she opens her room, she screams because the color is the same like Matt's t-shirt, and color is horrible. I think the video, I think the characters are boring because it's same like 3+1 video. But the story is interesting because when they go to the ice store, that part for me is fun. And the moral is we must be grateful for our friends. If no, you must give yourself. Don't blame someone else. I think that's all. Thank you.
80. Wonderful, I like it. You are strong in pronunciation and grammatic. But now is the Q&A. I would like to have some Q&A. So just answer your question. Okay. So just now you tell that the moral lesson is be grateful. Okay. And if let's say you don't want to be grateful, don't what? Do not blame someone else. Okay. Honestly, why the understanding in the video can happen? Who was wrong in the video? Whose mistake is that? Why? Yeah, actually, it's better. You see her is on the hand.
Because Helen is a problem, but she doesn't tell us to her friends what color she wants. And then she's angry because the color is not she wants.
Okay. What do you think about Helen's character? She doesn't care what she wants, now she gets mad because the color is not something she wants. What do you think?
I think Helen is a good person. And that.
Okay. Does Helen ask, did the friends ask about the color that she liked in the video? Like, Helen, what color do you like? Do the friends ask?
Yes.
And what does Helen say?
Helen says something nice.
It is not clear.
Yes.
If you were Helen, you have the same situation. You want to go for having lunch with your friend because you have an appointment. But at the same time, you have friends. You have your friends that willing to help you to pay the room when you leave your friend and then you go to the appointment. Or you cancel the appointment and you help your friends. Which one will you do?
Help my friend.
So you don't go for the appointment, but it's a promise.
I go to what?
Appointment?
Yes. But I see if what color I want.
Okay.
And later I'll give a food like that because they help our name to my room.
Oh, okay. So for the feedback, yeah, they help you to give something. But for you will go to the appointment. Why do you think going to the appointment is more important than helping your friends?
Who's has promise like that. I can't explain like
You need to cancel it.
yes.
Okay. Do you think it's okay for you to maybe change the time of painting room, let's say, because you are not there, okay? And you need to make your appointment. Do you think it's better for you to make it like the last day, not that day? So you can also help.
Yes.
Do you want to help your friends actually?
Yes.
What's the benefit if you help your friends? The benefit, what's the benefit if you help your friends?
My friends. Kindly and one friends with me. And if I don't pay my rent together, I think it's like like your apartment, but you don't want to pay your rent.
Oh, okay. Last question. Do you have another suggestion for Helen's room? But not painting it. Okay, what else the suggestion can you give to make the room more comfortable but not painting? What suggestion can you give?
Would be that next to a high five,
Okay, and then?
and then chair the window,
Put the chair in the window, okay.
then
Do you think decorating a room is important?
yes,
Why?
because we want the bedroom is beautiful, the wall and clean.
Why? Why would you have a good room actually? Why?
Why I have a good
Yeah, why we have to have a good room?
because if you don't like to say like your room is terrible like that, if not clean, there are so many animals like mouse like that. So mouse with that room clean and beautiful.
So we can be brilliant and we can be comfortable. If like what you say in your class, will you be comfortable? No. What will you do with this room? We don't want to paint, maybe have to paint. And then
Clean cover like that.
Okay, thank you.
That